Seré tuyo por esta noche. Prepárate, bebé.
Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna do an eyebrow tutorial of how I do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna keep this nice and simple. Like, I'm not gonna do anything else except my eyebrows, and then like the concealer and stuff. Anyways, what I use is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. Anyways, so I've actually had this one for a very long time, and it's like still full. Somewhat. Actually, now that I realize, I'm almost reaching the bottom. I thought it was like deep down, like how eyeliner is, but I guess not. Played me. And then I use, I don't know what brush this is, but I know it's from Sephora. I don't know if it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills one or if it's just one from Sephora. I think it's just one from Sephora though. But it's the one that has like the little spoolie at the end and the eyebrow thing. See, it's still dirty. I have to wipe it. So, my eyebrows are not done. I hate doing my eyebrows when they're not done. But, can y'all see this? Like, why? 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 But yeah. So what I usually do is I dip this. Like, I pick up some of the pomade product. We can say product. And then I use this and I like smear it out. Alright, let's see how I'm gonna do this. Yikes. Listen, when you're doing your eyebrows, doesn't matter how they come out, concealer is a girl's best friend. Okay, let's see. I have my contacts in and they just got blurry. Ooh. Oh my god, this is like this is not gonna work. I can't. Yikes. Okay. I'm gonna have to use a mirror because ghetto at its finest. Okay, so now that I can somewhat see lots closer, I need to do my eyebrows. Jesus Christ. So yeah, I just like fill them in. As you saw, like I kind of like line them out a little bit. I don't have a technique. My technique is concealer. By the way, to those girls that like worry about their eyebrows not being even, they are never going to be even. Okay, I'm telling you this from now. I've tried multiple times. Never works. But you always want to try your best. Like, I've seen somebody say your eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters. Or I think that's what they said. It was either they're not twins, they're sisters, or they're not sisters, they're cousins. My hair looks crazy. Crazy. Okay, it's looking pretty good. I swear this looks a lot worse on my mirror. It looks good in the camera. No, it doesn't. No, it does not. Why is it so thick? These just look bad. Oh my god. But whatever. Oh yeah, I'm definitely hitting the bottom. Can you see? That is the bottom. The bottom. Oh girl. Alright, I'm gonna start on this eyebrow now. This thing is so thick. Like, what did I do? So if you see what I'm doing, I like line the bottom and then I'm pushing the hairs down to line the top. Okay, this eyebrow is gonna come out way better. I can see it already. Jesus. Okay, not bad. Not bad, not bad. This eyebrow looks horrible in the mirror. Like, if I tell you, they both look bad. This is not my day. This one came out semi-okay. But like I said, concealer is your best friend. Okay. Concealer. So this is the Maybelline, I think, Fit Me concealer. Yes, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And medium moyan. Medium moyan. Yeah. Medium moyan. So I put it on my hand. And then with this bad boy, this is the e.l.f. eyeliner brush. It's just like a flat brush, kind of. Yeah, it's pretty flat. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's see if I can fix these bad boys. Okay, I gotta call in the interrupted, but look, you see, it already looks better. So, it already looks better. So, next side. Next side. Let me put a little more. And bam, just like that, they look brand new. I look crazy, but you know what I'm saying? And then now you just decide if you want to use your finger or if you want to use a little beauty blender to blend it out. I don't want to dirty my fingers, so I'm gonna use this. This isn't like a special beauty blender. But yeah, some people will use a gel to put on top. I use this one. As you can see, it's almost done. So this is the Maybelline Great Lash. It's like a mascara, but it's clear and transparent, so I use it as a gel. So you just kind of like brush your eyebrows with it. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with somebody who maybe doesn't know how to do eyebrows. And to be honest, use concealer, because concealer is just like, it's what fixes everything. Like as you saw, I had huge thick eyebrows like what, 5 minutes ago, and now look at them. They look great. Get a little close up. Oh, what is that? So yeah, but I hope you guys like this video. I hope this helps somebody out, you know, maybe a beginner, because it's not a lot of work. It's something nice, simple, you know. Eyebrows make a difference. So like I said, like, share, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye. Oh.